gloss on my lips when I dips the wig. I got a little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the wig. See my girls be shine.
What's good, y'all? It's your girl Cherish. Cherish, ayy. Cherish, ayy. Ain't no stopping when you poppin'. And I'm back with another video. So, guess what, y'all? My hair came in the mail. Make sure my address ain't on there. Unice hair came in the mail. So, I'm gonna try it on, y'all. Yesterday I had 2 ponytails. But, before we get into this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright, so shout out to my girl Jackie. She had one of these little wigs with the little headband. So I was like, ooh, I need to try that because, you know, y'all, I'll be wearing lace fronts, but it just seemed way easier just to put it on like that. So let's check it out. It came like this. Please be good. Please. I'm gonna put the link in the description, the price and all that. So I believe this is like a 16-inch. I believe it came with a little headband. Cute. Okay. I think I untwisted it. Came like that. And then this. Oh, it's pretty nice. That's nice. So I'm gonna go off camera talking and I'm gonna just do voiceovers because my kids, they loud right now. So while they quiet, I'm gonna talk. But you know, I don't know how long that's gonna be. So ooh, who is she? Okay. Now, y'all see this? I just touched it and it's falling off. So I already know what to expect. Like I said, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna go off camera and stop talking and just do voiceovers. All right, so now I'm gonna take down my hair and I'm gonna put it into one ponytail. My hair is still wet. I just washed it yesterday. So I'm gonna try to slick it back and leave a little bit of baby hair out so it don't look too wiggish. Right now I'm just trying to get it in a ponytail. I'm just trying to see if it'll look good like this. I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun. Make sure it's slick as possible. Okay, so I got it in a little bun. And my daughter, of course, she wanted to sit with me. She was banging on the door. So I'm just going to put my little wig cap on. I look crazy as hell. And I didn't leave enough baby hairs out, so I'm going to have to fix that. You guys, I'm so excited about this hair. So right now, I'm just making it smaller because I do have a small head. So I'm happy that it came with these adjustable straps. And now I'm going to put the wig on. Hopefully it fits. Yeah, I didn't leave out enough baby hairs. Ugh. Alright, so I'm going to slick some more out before I put it on. So now I'm going to try to strap these straps together.
And I did have a little bit of a problem because it's not small head friendly. Like, I was trying to do the strap to the last one, and it still was too big. So basically it just sits on top of my head because I couldn't get it tightened. All right, so now I got it on, and I'm just gonna add the little headband. Put the little headband on. And this is really cute, y'all. So now I gotta figure out how to put this on without touching my makeup. Yeah, I got an attitude that quick. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen my attitude? I'm like, how am I supposed to put this on? All right, so I figured it out. I'm just gonna slide the hair through it. All right, so I finally got it through. Just make sure there's no more strands. And I'm gonna have to do something with these baby hairs because this is not popping. And I'm still trying to figure out how you do this little headband. But yes, I'm loving it. My son is coming in now. They just want to be a part of my videos. Anyways, I'm just gonna use this Headband 24-hour edge control. Y'all know I live by this, so I'm just about to do it. Try to do some with the little baby hair that I left out.
It's a voiceover video.
So right now I'm just trying to find like a little foundation of where I want it to go. And I got it all done now. So yes, I love this. And y'all need to get one of these brushes because these is bomb. If y'all ain't got one, y'all need to get one. Put my earrings on.
Yes, they want to be a part of everything.
Y'all, I love this hair. It's so bomb. I think it was really worth it. It's super easy if you like on the go. Y'all see it moving? Y'all see it? I think I'm cute now, y'all.
I am in love. I am in love, y'all. Y'all just don't know. This is super easy. I'm in love. Like,
you just got married. Now you still married.
Who is she? Okay. Look like a little mixed girl or something. This little hair. It's not too long either, y'all. It's real short. The only thing I don't like is the cap don't fit my head. It's too big. So it's not little head friendly. I'm trying to scoot it down. Scoot it down some. Excuse me. Alright, so yes. Unice come through with the hair, and it did a little shedding, but oh my god, I love it. I love it. Super easy. But anyways, my kids want me to play with them, so I'm about to go, y'all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace. Okay, so when I was making the video, I didn't know that they gave me 2 of these and a wig cap. I already have my wig caps, but they gave me 2. So I got this one, and I got this one. I'm in the game, y'all. I'm in the game.
Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. Some kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dips the whip. I got a little something for you.